Thank you, Excellency, Mr. President, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the President of the Republic of Botswana, His Excellency Dr. Mokgweetsi Masisi, the people of the Republic of Botswana, we join the world in expressing our heartfelt and sincere condolences to the families, colleagues, and citizens all over the world who lost their loved ones in the tragic Ethiopian airline crash that took many lives over the past weekend. We take this opportunity to wish the souls of the departed eternal peace. Mr. President, Botswana welcomes the theme of this assembly being innovative solutions to environmental challenges and sustainable production and consumption. The theme is a clear testament that the world recognizes that environmental challenges continue to weigh heavily on our economies and people, and as such warrant innovative solutions that are sustainable, effective, and affordable to all. Further, we acknowledge the pivotal role of the environment in the attainment of the Sustainable Development Goals, and that it can provide innovative solutions aiming to accelerate socio-economic transformation, as well as tackling the leading challenges such as poverty, food insecurity, unemployment, and others. The aspect of providing innovative solutions to environmental challenges is a key component of Botswana's development agenda. Botswana continues to invest in the area of generating innovative solutions to the ever-increasing environmental challenges. We have established the Botswana Innovation Hub, the Botswana Institute of Technology, Research and Innovation. These are some of the institutions which assist with providing practical and effective and affordable innovative solutions to environmental problems and other development challenges. In this regard, we believe that this Assembly's declaration will spur all into action-oriented innovative solutions which are focused on delivering the world from the complex environmental challenges that we face today. Mr. President, the world today poses tricky and complex questions which require concerted efforts in business and usual practices. We are faced with climate change, land use conflicts, alien invasive species, desertification, land degradation, illegal wildlife trade, poaching, extinction of species, waste management, and prolonged droughts. For us to effectively address these issues, we believe that there is need for effective planning, environment-sound policies, strong regulatory institutions, and private sector involvement. We need to enhance scientific knowledge and research, capacity building, mobilization of financial resources, as well as provision of technical and technological support. These challenges need all of us to pull together for a common goal, a better world for us and future generations. Mr. President, I thank you.